As a product manager, CEO, or senior engineer in the manufacturing space, you already know the undeniable pressure to bring new products to market faster, more precise, and with flawless quality. But here is the truth. Your journey is riddled with painful obstacles, delays that stall your product launch, sample issues that kill your design reputation, or endless back and forth with scattered suppliers that burns through your time and budget. Ambitious innovation, constantly undermined by supply chain headaches. Why do so many promising projects fall behind, lose out to competition, or bleed margin due to inefficiency? Let us break it down. Unpredictable lead times, insufficient machining accuracy, fragmented supply chains, inconsistent quality, communication barriers, high prototyping costs. If you relate to even one of these, you already know the stakes: frustration, wasted money, blown opportunities. Every week spent wrangling suppliers is another week your competitors leap ahead. Each quality slip chips away at your customer trust. Rushed fixes lead to higher costs and stress on your team. If you do not fix the root causes now, this cycle will repeat with every new product. But what if you could break free from this cycle with one partner you actually trust? Introducing QC Mold. One-stop smart manufacturing for CNC machining, die casting, and 3D printing. We give you control over timelines, cost, and quality, small batch, customization, global delivery in 7 to 15 days, all integrated under one roof. Here is why QC Mold is different, and why you have struggled in the past. Direct engineer-to-engineer communication, integrated end-to-end processes, global standard quality with 100% inspection. Rapid delivery, prototypes in as fast as 7 to 15 days. International expertise in global markets. With QC Mold, failure is not an option. Mark US drone startup.
QC Mold delivered our CNC prototype in 7 days. We launched 2 weeks ahead of competitors.
Emily Australian fitness brand.
They delivered molds and samples 5 days early. Our product hit shelves a month ahead.
Lisa Canadian smart home brand.
Defect rate dropped from 4% to 0.5%.
Complaints virtually zero. Real results, real acceleration, real trust. Delays kill innovation. QC Mold delivers in 7 to 15 days with 0.005 millimeters accuracy. Upload your files today, and within 24 hours, you get a professional DFM report. We know trust takes more than promises. That is why we offer strongest guarantees. On-time guarantee, quality guarantee, confidentiality guarantee, price promise, trial production guarantee. You risk nothing. DFM report in 24 hours. Prototypes in 7 to 15 days. Plus or minus 0.005 millimeters precision. Full QC reports. Global logistics. Plus 5% off first order. Free express shipping. And monthly free rush production. Everything you need, minus the anxiety. QC Mold. Precision, speed, trust. Do not let indecision cost you another launch. QC Mold is your bridge from design to market. Upload your 3D drawings now. If you are one of the top 10 this month, secure free rush production. Reliable, responsive, and risk-free manufacturing is just one decision away. Let us build your next breakthrough together.